Hi everyone, I just wanted to go over a few translation resources that you may or may not be aware of that you can do on your computer. So I'm going to go over Google Translate, how to translate a website, Word document, and Google Docs, and then using this website, onlinedoctranslator.com, and lastly, how to translate on YouTube. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is just Google Translate. So the website is translate.google.com. There's a couple things you can do on here. You can obviously just type into the document, pick your language, and it will translate the text for you. But what you may not know is that you can also speak into the document, and it will translate what you are saying. And then a final thing would be to translate a document, which in this case you're going to want to go back just to translate.google.com. Click at the very bottom down here, translate a document, choose your file. I think I have, where is it? The same page here, and then choose your language, click on translate, and then it will translate the document for you. The second thing I want to talk about is how to translate a website. So I just pulled up an article on CNN and I want to translate this. What I will do is I will right click, and then on the drop down menu I see translate to English. I click on that, options. The page is in English, the translation language. I choose French and hit translate, and then the page will translate for me. Now this doesn't work 100% of the time, but it is a good thing to try out or to know about how to do. Next, just translating on Microsoft Word. It's fairly easy. Again, all you need to do is right click on the drop down menu and translate, follow the prompts, and then over here you will see where it says translate a word or sentence from English or translate the whole document. And then once you pick your languages, click the arrow, again follow the prompts, and then it will automatically give you a new web page with the translation. And then I wanted to talk about on Google Docs. So here is an example of a Word document on Google Docs. Again, all I need to do is go to Tools, Translate Document, and it will automatically make a translated copy of this. I choose my language and translate, and the document is already copied into my drive in the language I wish to translate it in. Another resource I wanted to show you is this website, onlinedoctranslator.com. And what you do here, it kind of looks confusing since there's a lot of text, but you just click right here in this orange Translate Now button. It will take you to open a file, and you choose your file. While it uploads, there'll be a check mark. Down at the bottom, you're going to click it's in English and the language you would like it translated to, and then translate. It takes a minute sometimes, and then at the very bottom of your page, you'll see it uploads a document or that you're able to download, and you go ahead and download it, and you can see here that it has translated the document. I prefer that website over Google Translate, onlinedoctranslator.com, because if you have images or formatting that you want to keep, it does a better job and it keeps it there for you. And then the last thing I wanted to talk about quickly is translating on YouTube. Since we use a lot of video in class, I just wanted to go through what you do. You have your video. Right here it says closed captions. If you click on that or the settings, you'll see where there's a title, subtitles, closed captions, and then here it will give you options to translate. Apparently it doesn't want to work right now. Captions, subtitles, English. Okay, auto translate. Sometimes it's a little different for each. You just need to play around. But you can then pick your language, and then the subtitles, when you go to play, should show up at the very bottom if you have on the closed caption in the language. Okay. Thank you for watching.